What up, YouTube? Hey, customer states weird noise from the turbo, about 15 pounds of boost plus. Pressurized the intake system, everything was good. Pressurized the exhaust system, found a leak. The way we did that, flipped the EBP line around, hooked a hose to it, connected it to a regulator, stuffed a towel into the tailpipe, pressurized this up to 20 pounds, located our leak at that joint where the up pipes feed the turbo. Clamp was fully seated, but there was a little gap, so way to fix it. Here's our stethoscope with the open end. That's how we found our leak. 1/4 inch 10 millimeter wobble, 3/8 10 millimeter wobble. You can get down into all 4 of those turbo pedestal bolts, loosen them up, loosen the 3 turbo mounting bolts. That'll give you enough wiggle, then reassemble. Clamp first, then turbo, then tighten the pedestal. Good to go.